There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Hey cunts, don't forget to click the subscribe button.
What we've learned, unfortunately, in life and in business is not agreeing isn't agreeing. Not agreeing is tacit approval. You're just keeping your fucking mouth shut because you don't want to be confrontational. And it goes from worse to worse to worse. And by the time it gets down to the poor janitor or whoever's at the bottom of the food chain, he doesn't really know what the company's mission is or vision or whatever. But whereas when you heard a guy like Steve Ballmer last night, former CEO of Microsoft, there's no tacit approval in him. And there's no tacit approval in any of the icons that you've seen in the night movies. In fact, they're the opposite of tacit approval. They often stick their nose into stuff that they had turned over to other people to manage, to produce, to get to the market, and yet they come in and Jobs was famous for this, although Jobs, Steve, rightfully so, had visionary blessings that most normal people don't.